he video yimla we na chi me the video ne sa beto aso obi o ha no onte ase
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum me say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce here.
The video ne sa beto aso obi o ha no onte ase aboaje Prince kosue ne snap nie se wunnim na so Ghana card mu da obi dia de papa we yaba na papa pani a wabobla wo sole ade ni si page cancel fa ne ho wunnim na so Ghana card mu da aboaje Prince ukosua na o snap nie TikTok fo ba gi page no ntina mebo by me wi am the video na aboaje Prince ye ne beto aso enti sa aboaje Prince wunnim na so Ghana card wunni wabusuafo ade bia MPP di ba ye a won enjoy na enne wo kan kwasasam fo mo ho no NDC fa hwe mai e ma Ghana ha menya ho mfaso school feeding kofo na de ba ye free education nanado na de ba health insurance kofo na de ba ye agenda 111 nanado na de ba ye ambulance papa nanado kofo e de kofo bus wadi free maternal care mewu bi wom menya mfaso minima de NDC bia ba me menya ho mfaso wo man mu ba wo mia de Ghana card aba na obusuafo so ma aboaje Prince edua yi ekoma mebo udua enso Ghana card mu ni wabusua koye bibia da mebo a TikTok beje mebo na akire me card
na wo bere Ghana ha obi anim se na adwen ye papa do wo so he frɛ ne ba wo mia Ghana ha wo so bi anim se na adwen ye papa wona wo bere so obeye adwuma no betuala de be di wonye adwuma obesiesie sika ba wo mia so de be ye ka kwa de be Ghana card o mu nyina ya abodamfo entu hu na wo bere te se de wo hu ba wo mia o mu nyina o ma adwene ye pe ba wo mia we wagimi o na adwene ye adwuma wa bodam alo bi emenska so nkoye wo no ankasa ne krom palugu dam
enti abusuafo aboaje Prince na maka no efi na kɔ video no ye wadileti o onimu ne wadileti ensama o kafa ba omia ho nyina akɔ ni page sesi a wadileti se MPP fo ya mo che wo mo enti usuro enya se mo aban wo power enti MPP aban enti minchi obi o wo man nya NDC fo dia woni fira di papa pani wo ko 50 years edie na NDC ba wo man abenwan su yi wo mo ayama wo wanya ho mfaso eno ansa wo ya NDC ni keke ya to aba wo nyansem
okom di wa weekend kom na ya pa weekend so we niska wo ho weekend na ye close advanced country papa ben na developer yetimi close the whole market the whole shops say sanitation day and nemri ni bia be ye da so ya asafuduma abran institutions wo wa yetu omka institutions wo ho ayetu omka Zoom Lion wetu no contact mu ene wo de ama original chairman for say omo na omo ye den omo na omo hwe sanitation so ene omo so tete faako ene omo de se ene omo de disturb yen krom obi an ye adwuma because ejiji president so oyo de hia si obi a ndi ejiji no so enso anke kaase ye to abama wo ye som na abesom enye timamufon citizen na esomo eza wo mu na abeso citizen afraid the service no say adane we yen service biom say timamfo no mu na som friend dem for servants no mo se mo ye servants mo ba besom nso ye mu na afraid ye som na Saturday pa na close shop say sanitation day nso so fa nipa we tu fa mo we yi gata mu dia gu ho na me ahwe saa mensuato na gata na asa nso na se atwini nyina kogu gata mu biem nso na se atwini nyina kogu gata mu biem we ya kwa na ye bai na ye nya leaders papa bi intimi control sa di we intimi control sanitation common sanitation keke intimi control we bi aye dumping site kwa ye nibi ni nyina aye private way zoom lion there the zoom lion no close a wunya ba bi fa ngugu ye kwa ya na ye bai ade a me ya ye nkofo na ewu no na ejapade a senya senketwa onipa
obeti atechem wo suro se obekoti bi amanfo wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka Ghana for one my yensensi form papa one my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya daje ko sell lie eto abasama o because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president. E ma wu jade Aata-Mill ewu ye. Ye disa show nsama wo bu ye. Wo wie wo se wo nye president da. E ma ye vote ma wo be di 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se wo betwa 12 good years wo tumi nye hwe wo promises en kokon ketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ya omo kọ Burkina kokofu a wo promise omo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo ba ye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo ba ya wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he efiri kwa me kruma time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent Prez.Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri oso nyame nsan ni oso. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di we chi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esum bi mbada o
bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afa Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nye hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso ton na baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad saka wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Ojene da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na me ye ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, yeah, hospitals and they go on and no women say. It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abaya. This is a kind of candy was I would to me was I mean, say almost same people for for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals are most of my account for. I comfort my facilitating me on funded free seniors who some account for. You see, any Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na tani afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to boot one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. And the John Dramani Mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now they're kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit menu now to me who let be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey. Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.